Are you looking for a quick and easy, comforting cocktail? Well, let me introduce you to the Hot Toddy. And if you like your cocktails, then go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell because I like my cocktails too. Welcome to the Spicy Apron Cooking Show. My name is Heather, and I am here to show you the easiest way to get the best results in your kitchen, and that includes cocktails. I've been doing it 25 years, so I know a thing or two and a trick or two. Now let's get on to the Hot Toddy. Maybe you have a little scratchy throat, or maybe you just want a nice warm cocktail. This is a quick and easy cocktail for you to put together. You probably already have all the ingredients at home. So all you need is a really cute fancy glass. No, you actually don't need this. You need 1 cup of hot water. Just boil it in your microwave or on the stove. Now, once you have your piping hot water in there, we're gonna add a couple of ingredients, and stay tuned because I'll tell you my secret ingredient to take this hot toddy up another level. First, the classic honey. You definitely want a couple of teaspoons of honey. You're just gonna pour that right into your hot water. And I have heard that a lot of people like to add tea to their hot toddy. And I'm curious, do you guys do that? Go ahead and put a comment below. Yes, I add tea. No, I don't add tea. This version does not have tea in it. You can get the full recipe at thespicyapron.com, which is my food blog. All right. After you have your honey, then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now this is fresh lemon juice. It really does make it pop. But if you have the kind that you put in a little plastic container in your fridge, that'll work just fine too. Look at that. It really looks cool. And then you can see that real fresh lemon floating around in there. All right, now the good stuff. And you who are my loyal viewers know I always spill the alcohol. So let's see if I can do it today without spilling. This is just 1 shot of whiskey. Oh, look at that. That was perfect. I did it. Okay, give this a good stir. Oh, you could, I'm always talking about the smells. You can smell it, that lemon, the whiskey. That's the best part. Okay, now here are a couple of things. First of all, you can drink this just like this. It's going to be fabulous. But here's what I like to do to kick it up a notch. I take a little pinch of cinnamon, fresh ground cinnamon, swirl that on top. Not only does it add a little bit of taste, but it also gives you that wonderful aroma. Once you've got the cinnamon on top, don't forget your garnish. You always want to make it look pretty. Go ahead and lay that right on top. And there you have it, guys. Super easy, warm, comforting, wintertime cocktail, the Hot Toddy. Oh, this almost makes you want to get a cold so you have an excuse to drink it. Well, now you know how to make a hot toddy. And if you're looking for more hot cocktails, please check out my Irish coffee. It's amazing. And go ahead and subscribe, and that way you will get notified when I come out with a video every week. Thank you for tuning into the Spicy Apron Cooking Show. Happy drinking.